Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. Alright, ladies and gents, after reviewing the video, I did notice that I said plie squats rather than plie squats. I apologize for that. I am correcting myself. So again, the word is plie, not plies. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so for Fast 5 workout number 13, here are the following exercises. Number 1, step back knee ups. 2, tiptoe plie squats. 3, star planks. 4, donkey kicks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. Exercise number 1, step back knee ups. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet together. You're gonna either step with your right foot or left foot. For this demonstration, I'll start with my right foot. I'm gonna step back, and then I'm gonna come up as if I'm trying to get my hands to touch my knees like this, okay? So back and forth, okay? You're gonna do that 3 times on your right, and then you'll switch it up. Same thing, step back and touch your knees, step back and touch your knees 3 times, and then go back and forth, okay? Exercise number 2, tiptoe plie squats. You're gonna go ahead and point your feet out, okay? Away from your body. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go squat down, and then you're gonna go on your toes, and then down. On your toes and then down. You're gonna make sure that your heel, which is the back part of your foot, does not come down. You're strictly staying on your toes, okay? On your toes the whole time. Squat position, on your toes, okay? You'll feel it in the inside of your legs. All right, then we got star planks. Kind of similar to how we do star jacks. We're gonna do the same thing, but in a plank position. So we're gonna get down into a plank position, push a plank position. Right hand's gonna go out at an angle. Left hand, same thing, as well as my feet at a diagonal. And we're gonna hold that position like a star, okay? Last but not least, we got donkey kicks. So I'm gonna go and turn this way so you can see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my hands in a push-up plank position. I'm gonna put my right foot back. I'm gonna kick out, okay? As straight as you can. Bring in and kick out. Bring in, kick out. You're gonna do 3 on your right, and then 3 on your left, back and forth, all right? So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 13, so stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, and go. So step back and knee up. All right, switch. You want to go across your body like you're running a sprint. Okay, you got to take off fast. The harder that you push, you'll feel in your obliques as well as in your legs. Job. All right, we got those tiptoe plie squats. Point your feet out and squat on your toes. On your toes. Remember, your heel does not touch the floor. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 down. Do the best you can. These will hurt. I promise you. I'm feeling it already. Woo! All right. Feel the burn, my friends. Feel the burn. If you want to challenge yourself and go lower. All right, let's go into those star planks. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Star planks. Try to keep your back straight. Bottom not up in the air. No mountains here, my friends. All right, going. You want to tighten up your core. Just tighten up your core, and you'll feel it even more. Woo! All right, my friends. This is burning. Those donkey kicks ready and go. Kick back. 1, turn back. 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. Keep going, my friends. You're doing great. Don't give up. Remember the motto: just finish. Not just the motto, but it is a lifestyle. Keep going. There you go. Beautiful. Awesome. All right. 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. Great time to get some water. Wipe your sweat off. We're working on the whole body, my friends. And again, if you guys are interested in a certain exercise or movement, drop a comment below, let me know. I'll try to come up, put it into a future Fast 5 workout. If you want to create your own Fast 5 workout, drop a comment down below. And again, if I can feature in another upcoming Fast 5 workout. All right, only 5 seconds left. All righty, let's go. Back up top, step back, knee up, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. And bring it up. Power, let's go. The harder you kick, the faster you kick, the more you'll feel. Cross your body. Great job, my friends. Don't be like me, make sure you guys are breathing. Breathe it out through your mouth. All right, let's get into those tiptoe fly squats. And squat low and up. Up. Mind challenge, you guys go lower than you did the first round. Go lower. I feel it. Woo! Feel the burn. Keep going, 10 seconds left. Remember, on your heels, on your toes only. The lower you go, the more you feel it, my friends. 3, don't give up. Just finish. All right, we're gonna start planks. 2 more. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Start planks. Tighten up that core. Woo! Start seeing this building. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And donkey kicks. Turn this way for you guys. And kick that. Go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Keep going, my friends. You're doing great. Last one. Everything you got. Let's finish strong. And my friends out there, they're not quitters. They work hard. And time. All right, my friends, make sure you guys high five yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. Here's a virtual fist pump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 13. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite exercises, what was your least favorite exercise, and why. Let me know. I don't know. All right. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P spot, because we like to see how your students are engaging in these workouts, as well as what modifications you are making. Also, please drop a comment down below what exercises you would like to see in upcoming Fast 5 workouts. I would like to see what you guys want and then create a workout for you guys. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.